once again, cosine of 2 theta is equal to cosine squared of theta minus sine squared of theta. Okay. So here, we're going to let theta equal pi over 8. Okay, so that gives us cosine of 2 times pi over 8 equals cosine squared of pi over 8 minus sine squared pi over 8. Okay, so we matched up our right side. So this just becomes cosine 2 pi over 8, which becomes cosine of pi over 4. All right. So any questions on that one? Okay. So we do one more example, and actually we'll call it a day because we have a bunch of other formulas, but I don't want to overcrowd you with too much before the exam, so kind of taking baby steps. Oh, you were still writing. Okay. So let's say, for example, for a given sine of theta equals 5 over 13 in quadrant 2, we can find our cosine of 2 theta. Okay, so once again, our cosine of 2 theta, cosine squared minus sine squared, and it's also equal to 2 cosine squared minus 1, and it's equal to 1 minus 2 sine squared. Okay. Again, depending on what they give you, that's the one you're going to use. So since they gave us sine, we're going to use this one. Now, if they would have given us cosine, we'd have used that one. Okay, so our cosine of 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sine squared, which is 1 minus 2 times 5 over 13 squared, which is 1 minus 2, 5 squared is 25, 13 squared is 169, okay, and our 1, we can just make that 169 over 169 minus 50 over 169, which is 119 over 169. All right, so any questions on that one? All right, so next